loves! In today's video, I'm going to show you how I organized my vanity, my makeup drawers. It was just a crazy mess. Before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of the fam by clicking that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up on this video. I wanted to purge a lot of makeup as well, just the collection has grown way too much and my dream in life is to be a minimalist. So I'm going to try to stop buying makeup this year, and I was just like, I have a lot of old expired makeup, stuff that I don't use anymore that's really old, so I'm just gonna throw out as much as I can and organize this vanity. This is the first drawer. First drawer was basically just a lot of makeup in the wrong places. So this probably took me the longest out of everything. But one of the first items that I decided to throw out was this Wet n Wild highlighter. It's just such a greasy, gooey formula that feels like it's not good for your skin, and it's really old, so I wasn't using it anymore. And I also found baby lips in this drawer, and I really do not like baby lips. These things do not hydrate my lips at all. At this point, everything was nicer in this drawer, so I ended up putting my mascaras, highlighters here, and primers in one section and pigments in a section, but later on I actually decided to take pigments to another place. This was makeup that didn't have a place that I took out from that first drawer, and I decided to separate it by type of makeup and then just go through each group and see what I had too much of, see what I wasn't using anymore, and I ended up throwing a lot of this makeup out. A lot of it was old. And I ended up taking the pigments out of here and putting in pencil liners. So the second drawer, I had a lot of empty boxes. I don't know why I'm weird. I like keeping beautiful boxes. I don't like throwing out beautiful boxes, but I ended up throwing out a lot of them. I had been keeping new makeup to be tested or used or reviewed here. I also had a bunch of makeup that I bought on Miss A to test and I did a video on, and most of it I didn't end up using again, so I just ended up throwing it out. It's all cheap anyways, $1 each. And this is what the drawer looks like after. So I have my fake eyelashes here and some powders. The next drawer is just a nightmare. This is all my nail stuff, and I have some temporary tattoos. Just threw out a bunch of old nail polishes and just organized it. This is the hair drawer, so it was just a complete mess as well. Basically just organized it. And I ended up throwing this really old curling iron that I had that I never use anymore, so I just donated it to one of those donation boxes in my area. So this is my garbage pile. So this is on the other side, and this is the first drawer. So I have a lot of single shadows here, a lot of old ones that I ended up throwing out, and I have foundations, concealers, and eyebrow stuff here. So just purge through all of that. So in the after, I put my pigments in the back, ColourPop eyeshadows on one side, other single eyeshadows on another side, eyebrow stuff, and concealers. The second drawer is where I have some mascaras, so I just put it on the other side of the first drawer where I chose to put mascaras. And I have bronzers and blushes here, so I just went through all of this as well. And I ended up putting my blushes and bronzers here and foundations. The next drawer is skincare stuff and glosses and a lot of creamy lipsticks. So skincare, I didn't really have anything to throw out. I just had to organize it. This is new stuff that I haven't opened yet, but I threw out a lot of old lipsticks. And the last drawer is super easy. It's just a bunch of makeup bags. So I took a couple of bags that I don't use and just organized it. So this is what all of the drawers look like. And I have a couple of palettes on top of my vanity, and there was basically just one I decided to throw out. It's this really crappy dollar store one that I got, and it's like glitter, but I've used it once and it's horrible, so that went to the garbage. And this was all the garbage that was left over. This bag was so heavy and packed. I couldn't believe this is how much I got out. I didn't expect to purge that much out, but it was like a weight off my shoulders. So I'm so glad that I did this. I had been meant to be doing this for the longest time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. XOXO. Mwah. Bye.